Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and I'm standing on board our 2019 Sea Ray 280 SLX. I'm sure you looked at the pictures before you climbed into this video, and that's one of the very cool, unique things about this boat. This is a black hull bottom, unlike the plethora of white boats you will see on the sandbar. This is a black bottom boat with horizon hull sides. You'll see the color match goes up, and it's incredibly complemented by this ivory interior. Guys, this interior is just beautiful on this boat, and it has the gray infinity carpet. Now what I've done is I've popped one of the panels out just to show you, you've got non-skid underneath, and you've got a fantastic, if you have the dogs on board, a bunch of children, grandchildren, maybe popping that out makes the most sense, and will make it a little bit easier cleanup at the end of the day. Of course, you've got seating for the whole family, for the extended family. You have cup holders. You have cup holders in the rear, there, hidden off to the sides, all over. This is a Sea Ray. They do it phenomenally. And the power tower, it's capable of pulling all and any sports that you want. Tubes, wakeboards, it will do all that. But it will also fold down, give you a very, very easy alternative if you have limited storage space, a bridge to go under, or you just simply decide that you're one of the few that want to trailer your boat. This is the 19. I've harped on this before. I love touching on it. The new dash that Sea Ray has put in, what a touch to excellence, folks. Much more like a yacht, like the sport fishes that we love to adore. This dual touchscreen arrangement is beautiful and incredibly functional. You'll have all your engine data, your GPS data, basically everything you can dream up, you can put on the screens in front of you, and it's touchscreen. In addition, the stereo in this hybrid fusion, the reason I call it a hybrid, you see the dial, it's touchscreen as well. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Sirius capable, everything you can hope for, that's a part of Sea Ray's premium sound system, which this vessel in Sarasota has. Guys, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. I love cruising the bay in this boat. It is such an incredible ride. If you guys want to feel what I'm talking about, give us a call, reach out to your rep, or reach out to me, Jeremiah, and we'll take really good care of you. This is our 2019 280 SLX. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. We will see you soon.